Hey everybody, and welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be covering the Lockheed Martin raising their dividend by 8.5% to $2.60. They declared a $2.60 share quarterly dividend, 8.3% increase from prior dividend of 2.40. This is pretty bullish, showing a sign that they're having a little bit more of a liquid capital going on, a little bit more pricing. It's going to kind of make, of course, Lockheed Martin a little bit more volatile due to the dividend, but dividend pay is bullish. So going a little bit more into that, I'm going to be using the Nest article to reference. Essentially, company chooses how to spend its profits, just like you decide how to spend your leftover cash after paying bills. They can reinvest profits into its business or distribute them as dividends. Obviously, them distributing the excess monies to shareholders attracts more shareholders, it attracts more, positive vibe going on for the whole, investor confidence kind of thing. Like what they want people to hold on to the shares longer. They want to grow their company longer and, grow that share price even more. Obviously, you could see a dividend increase is typically a sign of improving financial strength. A company that boosts its dividend is sending a message that if extra cash and it is that it has extra cash and it is confident about its future profits and cash flow. Obviously, significantly boosting that dividend give a payout by like over 2%. It's a very good sign. And for a shareholder, although Lockheed Martin has its ups and downs, just on the quarterly to $2.60 per each and every quarter. So if you held just 100 of those shares, that's 260 each quarter for doing absolutely nothing, whether the stock is up or down. You still get that either way. Lockheed Martin, Boeing, all these companies are more of a long-term holding aspect to that. Declining growth opportunities, although dividend boost suggests the company has a strong bank account, the increase might also suggest the company has fewer investment opportunities of which it could spend its cash. So it could be bullish or bearish, but I would say in most cases, dividends are considered bullish. The higher payment can spark demand from existing investors and attract new investors, such as mutual funds that hold dividend stocks. Investors might punish a stock's price if they believe a company should reinvest its money in its business. For example, a high growth company entering new markets might hurt its stock price if it raises its dividend. I don't think in Lockheed Martin's case this is the scenario. You never know. Currently, Lockheed Martin in the after hours was trading at $386.69, according to Google charts here. Not exactly the most reliable one, but it's just easier to reference for those that are sort of new to trading or just want like a basic overview for swing long traders here. It's been kind of choppy the last month or so, but it has been in kind of what I would determine as consolidation phase, looking like it's getting ready to break out, probably to potentially test its year-to-date high here, pre-March, but year-to-date after March for the 400 to 420 range, very high, so high, essentially. Basically, going into the future here, I would project that you're going to see like 450 to 500 range. Not too long historically, Lockheed Martin tends to go up and up and up and up. Might seem overvalued, but honestly, this is a defense aerospace company, so I feel that it can go a lot higher than it's currently trading at. Uh, Feel free to share in the comments below your own input on Lockheed Martin increasing their dividend and what you feel, whether it's worth holding for a longer term aspect or not. I personally hold Define. It's basically Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, and Boeing as their three main holdings. So to me, that's a little bit safer than holding a larger cap stock like this. But if you have the liquidity and you have the capital and stuff like that, it makes it a little bit more worthwhile to hold companies like this due to that high payout threshold if you can purchase enough shares. Thank you for listening in and have a great day, guys. See you later on.